Have you ever looked up and seen something so strange it made your jaw drop? From glowing orbs to massive objects that defy logic, our skies are full of mysteries. Today, we are counting down the top 10 most unexplainable sightings ever caught on camera. And each one is more bizarre than the last. From flying humanoids to unexplained portals, this list will leave you wondering what's really out there. Make sure to watch until the end because our number 1 pick will blow your mind. Number 10. The Phoenix Lights. A sky full of questions. March 13, 1997 was a night in Arizona, and the world will never forget. Thousands of people reported seeing a massive weird-shaped formation of lights silently gliding across the sky. This wasn't just a fleeting glimpse. These lights hovered for hours, and the formation was seen from Nevada all the way to Mexico. Witnesses described it as silent, horrific, and unlike anything they've ever seen. The military later explained it away as flares from a training exercise. But here's the thing. Flares don't move in perfect formation or stay visible for hours. Even skeptics were left scratching their heads. And there's the testimony from Arizona's former governor, Symington. Initially dismissive, years later he admitted he saw the lights and couldn't explain them. Videos of the event are still available online, showing the scary precision of the light. Some believe it was a UFO fleet, while others think it was a single massive craft. Either way, the Phoenix Lights remain one of the most widely witnessed and hotly debated sky mysteries. What do you think? Visitors from another planet? Secret military tech? Or something else entirely? Whatever it was, it left a lasting impression on everyone who saw it. Number 9. Tic Tac UFO, faster than physics. In 2004, US Navy pilots witnessed something that left even the most seasoned among them stunned. Off the coast of California, radar picked up the strange object, smooth, white, and about the size of a school bus. The pilots nicknamed it the Tic Tac, but this wasn't your average candy-shaped object. This thing moved in ways that defied physics. The Tic Tac zipped across the sky at incredible speeds, changing direction abruptly and accelerating faster than any known aircraft. It had no visible wings, no exhaust, and no heat signature. One pilot described it as playing cat and mouse with them, fleeing away whenever they tried to get close. And then, just like that, it vanished. Declassified videos of this encounter released by the Pentagon sparked global intrigue. Experts have tried to explain it as everything from experimental drones to weather balloons. But seriously, when was the last time a weather balloon outran fighter jets? Even seasoned skeptics struggle to find a logical explanation. Could the Tic Tac UFO be evidence of advanced alien technology? Or is it part of a secret military program so advanced it's practically sci-fi? Whatever it was, this sighting remains one of the most compelling pieces of modern UFO evidence. Number 8. Hesdalen Lights, Norway's mystery show. Deep in a remote valley in Norway, a strange phenomenon has been puzzling scientists and locals for decades. Known as the Hesdalen Lights, these glowing orbs of white, yellow, and red have been appearing in the night sky since the 1980s. But here's the kicker, they're still happening today. The lights are unpredictable. Sometimes they appear several nights in a row, hovering silently over the valley. Other times, they zigzag across the sky, moving in ways that seemed almost deliberate. Scientists have set up observation stations in the area, hoping to study the lights and uncover their secrets. One popular theory is that the lights are caused by ionized gases interacting with the unique geology of the valley. Others think they're a type of plasma energy, while some believe they could be a natural but rare electrical phenomenon. But none of these theories fully explain their strange behavior. Are these lights a natural wonder, a sign of extraterrestrial activity, or something we can't even comprehend yet? Whatever they are, they've turned the quiet Norwegian valley into one of the world's most intriguing UFO hotspots. Number 7. Walking Giant Shadow, a lightning-fueled mystery. Everything's bigger in Texas, right? Well, that includes mysteries too. On a stormy night in rural Texas, a local resident captured footage of a strange phenomenon during a lightning storm. Each flash of lightning illuminated an enormous shadow in the sky, one that resembles a two-legged giant walking with cane. This shadow seemed to appear out of nowhere, towering over the horizon. Witnesses described it as moving in a way that felt deliberate, as if the figure was surveying the land below. What makes the sighting especially eerie is that there were no visible structures or objects nearby that could explain the shadow's shape. Experts who reviewed the footage offered a range of theories, from an optical illusion caused by lightning reflection off clouds to a coincidental combination of atmospheric conditions. But these explanations fail to account for the shadow's distinct humanoid shape and its unsettling movement. The video of this sighting went viral, sparking debates about its origins. Was it a trick of light and shadow, or something far stranger? Some have even suggested that it could be a glimpse of an interdimensional being or a manifestation of folklore. Number 6. O'Hare UFO. A hole in the clouds. Airports are busy places, but in 2006, Chicago's O'Hare International became the site of something truly out of this world. A group of United Airlines employees spotted a metallic, disc-shaped object hovering above the airport. What made it even stranger was how motionless it seemed, almost as if it was watching them. The sighting lasted several minutes, with the object clearly visible to pilots, ground staff, and even passengers. Then, in a sudden burst of speed, the UFO shot straight up into the sky, leaving a perfectly circular hole in the cloud layer above. Witnesses described the hole as scary, with the edges crisp and well-defined, as if something had punched through. The FAA dismissed the sighting as a weather phenomena, but those who saw it weren't convinced. After all, weather doesn't usually leave UFO-shaped holes in the clouds. Videos and detailed construction of the event have kept the mystery alive, fueling speculation about what really happened that day. Could it have been a drone or experimental craft, or was it something far more advanced? Whatever the answer, the O'Hare UFO remains one of the most credible and widely reported sightings in recent history. And if there's one thing we know for sure, it's that this mystery isn't going away anytime soon. Number 5. The Marfa Lights, Texas Mysterious Dancing Orbs. Deep in the desert of West Texas, near the town of Marfa, strange lights have been appearing in the night sky for over a century, known as the Marfa Lights. These glowing orbs are seen hovering, darting, and even dancing above the horizon. Descriptions vary. Some say they are red or orange, while others report bright white orbs that split apart and recombine. What makes the Marfa Lights so mysterious in their unpredictability? They don't show up every night, and there is no clear patterns to when or where they appear. The locals and visitors alike have been fascinated by these lights for generations, and the area has even become a tourist attraction, with a dedicated viewing platform built just for sky watchers. Scientists have attempted to explain the lights as car headlights or atmospheric reflections, but these theories don't fully add up. The Marfa Lights were first documented in the late 1800s, long before cars were a factor, and their movement are unlike anything you'd expect from a man-made source. Are they the result of a geological activity, an unknown natural phenomenon, or something otherworldly? Whatever the cause, the Marfa Lights remain one of the most enduring and enigmatic mysteries of the American Southwest. Number 4. The Norway Spiral, a celestial enigma. On November 9, 2009, residents of northern Norway were treated to a spectacular and baffling light show in the early morning sky. A giant spiraling beam of light appeared, emanating from a single point and expanding into a perfect spiral before disappearing into a black hole-like center. The phenomenon lasted for about 10 minutes, leaving thousands of onlookers in awe and confusion. Witnesses described the spiral as a blue beam of light with a grayish spiral emanating from one end. The event was captured on enormous cameras and quickly spread across the internet, sparking a flurry of theories and debates. Initial speculations ranged from UFO activity and wormholes to secret military experiments. However, the Russian Ministry of Defense later stated that the defense was a result of a failed test of a Bulava missile. According to the explanation, the missile's third stage malfunctioned, causing it to spin out of control and release fuel into a spiral pattern. While this explanation satisfied some, others remain skeptical, pointing out the unprecedented nature of the display and the lack of similar incidents from previous missile tests. The Norway Spiral remains one of the most extraordinary and debated sky anomalies in recent history, captivating both skeptics and believers alike. Whether a failed missile test or something more mysterious, the Norway Spiral continued to intrigue and inspire wonders, reminding us of the many mysteries our skies still hold. Number 3. The West Hall UFO Encounter, a schoolyard mystery. In April 1966, over 200 students and teachers at West Hall High School in Clayton, South Australia, witnessed an event that would become one of the most famous UFO cases in the country. During a morning class, students noticed a silver, disc-shaped object hovering silently over a nearby grassy field. Excited and curious, many ran outside to get a closer look. The object appeared to descend before rising again and darting away at incredible speed. Witnesses described it as a metallic craft, about the size of a car, moving in ways no known aircraft could at the time. What made this encounter even more baffling was the presence of 5 smaller planes that seemed to be circling the UFO. The object left physical evidence too. When students and teachers ventured into the field, they found flattened grass and scorch mark where the object had briefly landed. Despite the overwhelming number of witnesses, authorities dismissed the event as a weather balloon or experimental aircraft. However, witnesses, many of whom are still alive today, have consistently rejected those explanations. Number 2. The Jetpack Mystery over Mississauga. Advanced tech or something else? In 2022, residents of Mississauga, Canada reported a series of bizarre sightings that left the city abuzz with speculation. High above the skyline, witnesses spotted what appeared to be a humanoid figure soaring through the air using what looked like a jetpack. Videos of the sightings quickly surfaced online, showing a figure moving gracefully at significant altitudes and speeds. What makes this sighting so strange isn't just the height, sometimes reaching over 5,000 feet, but the precision of the movements. Jetpacks as we know them have severe limitations in terms of range and flight time, yet these figures seem to defy those constraints. Theories about the jetpack phenomena range from experimental technology testing to more outlandish claims of extraterrestrial involvement. Some skeptics argue the sighting could be drones designed to mimic human shapes, but even experts have found these explanations unsatisfying, given the attitude and behavior of the objects. Mississauga isn't the only place where jetpack-like figures have been reported. Similar sightings have occurred near major airports, including Los Angeles International Airport, where pilots reported jetpack figures flying dangerously close to the planes. Number 1. Suspected meteors turn Spain's night sky blue. In February 2023, residents across Spain were treated to a breathtaking yet puzzling sight as the night sky lit up in an intense blue glow. Witnesses reported seeing what looked like meteors streaking through the atmosphere, leaving behind a vibrant otherworldly hue. The phenomenon was visible in multiple regions, and videos of the event quickly went viral, sparking debate and curiosity worldwide. What made this event so unusual wasn't just the color, but the sheer intensity of the glow. Meteors typically burn bright as they enter Earth's atmosphere, but blue hues are rare and often associated with specific chemical compositions. Experts suggested that the meteors were likely made of magnesium, which can emit a bluish-white light when vaporized. As scientists scrambled for answers, some speculated that the event could be linked to space debris re-entering Earth's atmosphere. While this is a plausible explanation, the size and brightness of the glowing objects made many questions if they were natural meteors or remnants of a man-made satellite. The event wasn't just beautiful, it was loud too. Some witnesses reported hearing sonic booms as the meteors passes overhead, adding to the drama of the night. Despite the scientific theories, no fragments were officially recovered, leaving the exact region of glowing meteors a mystery. So, which one of these mysteries blew your mind the most? Are they proof of extraterrestrial visitors, strange natural phenomena, or something beyond our understanding? Let us know your theories in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more weekly dives into the world's strangest mysteries.